If your jawline isn't sharp or it's losing definition, it's quite often because the cheeks have started to sag. And you can fix this without injecting fillers into your face or having a surgery. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 specific massage techniques and massage points that you can use at home in order to lift your cheeks up and therefore define and sharpen your jawline. The first thing that we are going to do is massage 3 lines across the cheeks so that we can release the little muscles that are here connected from the cheekbone to the lips. And when these muscles get tight, then they shorten and they kind of then pull the cheeks downwards towards the center. And in order to prevent that, we just need to massage these little muscles here so that they can lengthen, and therefore the pull on the cheeks downwards stops and they can kind of spring back up. So let's get going. We don't need any oil for these techniques. In fact, it's much better to do it without oil, unless you have extremely sensitive skin and you need a little bit of glide, then go ahead. But I prefer to do this absolutely without oil because we want really good grip. Okay, so you're gonna just take your fingers, index and thumb, and gonna take an imaginary line from your corner of the lip to the side, and we're just gonna grab here and massage with kneading movements, massaging this area. And I know that this might look to some of you a little bit brutal or intense, but we are not stretching skin. As I always say, we are massaging the tension away that is underneath the skin, that is actually pulling our face down. So the benefit of massaging this way is way higher for releasing that tension than the worry that we should have about stretching our skin. We're not going to stretch any skin with this. Our skin is very pliable, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's go on to the other side. Again, remember, horizontal line outwards, and we're just massaging this area. And you might feel that there is a little bit of tenderness or pain in here. That's absolutely normal, because most of us have very tight cheeks and cheek muscles. Also, it's normal that your skin is gonna get a little bit red. Right. Now we are going to massage a little bit higher across. So when we had the horizontal line, now we are going to go in a diagonal about 45 degrees up. Again, from the lip up, and you're just grabbing that tissue, and you want to pay attention to where it feels like dense, where the tissue feels kind of like bunched up and tense. You will feel, when you start connecting with your face more, you're going to feel that some areas feel more thin or more loose, and some areas you can literally feel the tight muscles, and you want to really get in there, especially where it feels a little bit sore, a little bit painful. You want to gently squeeze a little bit more and get in there. I teach all of this in much more detail inside my program, the 15-minute facelift, but also here on my YouTube you have plenty of free videos. So whether you decide to, invest into a little bit of a deeper transformation, or you just want to follow along here on YouTube, either way is fine. But I just want to let you know that this possibility exists to go deeper and learn more in my program. So on the second side, we are also going the diagonal way up. And just connecting, breathing. This is really not only just massaging your face to lift the cheeks, but literally there is so much trauma, so much emotional stress that sits also in the face. So whenever you massage your face in this nice deep way that really releases the tension, you can also feel like you can breathe. It feels like something is releasing. At least for me, it always does. That's why I love this work so much, because it's so much more than just, a beauty routine. It's like literally for me like a nervous system reset. Okay, this is number 2. So we have done first technique, second technique, and now we are going to lift our cheeks by putting our fingers here along the eye socket. Let's do first that side that we started with. So here, and then we are going to collect some tissue from the bottom up, and we are going to bring it up and kind of keep squeezing it up. So you see that this is again different now. We are now pulling up higher, where before we are working more on this diagonal angle and the straight angle. Now we are pulling everything up really high towards the cheekbone. And you have to be careful around your eye with the index finger so that you don't poke inside your eye or that you don't drag the eye down. So this is really just resting, and the thumbs are doing all the work, lifting, lifting, lifting up. Right, so let's do the second side. Fingers on the bone, just resting, making sure you don't drag. Rest it, and then work up the cheek as if you literally want to pull and lift the cheek up. And there we go. Again, if you feel like your skin is way too dry for this, then you can put a little moisturizer, a couple of drops of oil, especially for this last technique. That can be quite nice, but I still prefer to do it without any oil. I always put oil after I've done my massage when I do these kind of fascia, deep tissue techniques. Lifting up the cheek, and you can see when you lift and the cheek goes up, automatically the jawline will be defined. I have another video that I recommend you watch next, because in that other video I show you 5 points that you need to massage so that there is no pull from below. So in this video we have worked on creating no sagging from above, so the cheeks don't sag and cause the jawline to drop, but also we don't want the tightness in the neck and below the jawline and in the chewing muscles to kind of pull down as well. And this I tackle in that video that I'm going to link here, that you can watch next if you want to go really deep and really do as much as you can to lift your jawline up. All right, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.